Today for reading and writing, we are reading the books Diary of a Fly by Doreen Cronin and Flies Are Fascinating by Valerie Wilkinson. So, to do your reading portion, you're going to press on one of the titles. Remember, if this comes up and the username and password are not available, that means they're not already typed in like they are in my slide, then you can go back to your assignment and look on the reading instructions slide, and that will have the username and the password that you can type in. So once you're logged into BookFlix, you will be able to watch the story, Diary of a Fly, and then read the book, Flies Are Fascinating. Sometimes, as you can see, it takes a minute to come up. If that happens, then be patient, and if you need to, you can go up here and select the web address and refresh and see if that helps. Oop, that did the trick. So when you're done watching the story and reading the book, then do the puzzlers, so the word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. And then dive deeper, explore the web, and meet the creators. When you're done with that, you're going to go back to your writing journal, your Scholastic News Journal, and you're going to write about what you read, just like you've been doing. So write about something you found interesting. I notice can be your sentence starter. Don't forget your period at the end. Write about a question that you had. I wonder can be your sentence starter. So type in I wonder, and then don't forget your question mark at the end. And then a connection that you made. So type in this book reminds me of, complete the sentence by writing in what or typing in what the book reminded you of. And then don't forget a period at the end. When you've checked your work and made sure you have a capital at the beginning and a period or a question mark at the end, then go ahead and press the X and the blue turn in button. Then it is super important for you to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. And then when you are done doing Imagine Learning and you've done your phonics assignment, please practice reading either in the books that I sent you from Walmart if you've gotten those already, or on Epic Books or other books at your house. Happy reading!